If you want to automatically format numbers after the decimal separator as superscript, then this video is for you. So let's say you have multiple labels with different prices and you want to format them in a specific way. You can do this with a script I've created. You'll find the download link in the description of this video, along with installation instructions. So you go to Window, Utilities, and you have here Scripts. Now I have already put the script in the user folder of Indesign folder, and here it is. This is the full premium script that has unlimited pages, but if you download only the trial version, it is limited to only the first page. Yeah, but let me open the full version, the premium version, and let me show you the document first. You see that you have numbers in this form. You have the main number, which here is 8, and after you have a decimal separator, which is a comma. And here you have what you want to make it superscript. Or so what you want to do is to select only 99 in this case, and go here and make it superscript like this. But if you have thousands, hundreds or thousands of prices like this, it's very tedious to do this manually. So you download my script, and all you have to do, let's select this text. All you have to do is to go here. You can apply to select text only or entire document, and you also have a comma, period point, or Arabic decimal there. For these options will work my script, yeah. And here you can convert periods to commas, you can convert commas to periods, or you can remove all decimals, yeah, decimal separators if you don't want them. Okay, let's make a test. So in this bounding box is this price. I want to apply the formatting only to selected text. I want to superscript numbers after decimal, and I want to superscript this decimal separator as well. Let me press apply, and the script successfully formatted one number. So this number is now formatted. And if you want to do this for all the numbers in this document, you just go here and choose entire document, and now you have this option to apply. It will take a little bit while it is processing, and successfully formatted 75 numbers. Yeah, and if you look through document, you'll see that the numbers are formatted with your chosen options. Yeah, so keep in mind that this script is suitable for numbers with separators. For regular numbers without separators, this script will not work. And you have the download link of the superscript numbers script in the description of this video, yeah? So download it from there. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.